Are you guys waiting for the 5 o'clock walking tour?
I'm Anka, I'm the guide.
You are the guide? Okay,
yes,
okay.
Welcome. Hi.
Yes, I'm a YouTuber. I make YouTube videos.
Okay.
Yesterday I made one for Alex and it's on the YouTube today.
Okay.
This is the afternoon walking tour. So the Romanian flag, red is blood, blue is sky, and the yellow is grain. All this architecture has a very strong French and German influence.
In the 19th century was the fact that it had a restricted ceiling. Yes, on summer days, sunny days, and when the weather was good and nice, they just pull off the ceiling, yes, and everybody could attend theater plays, yes.
So this theater was built for the railway people. The characteristic of this theater is that the ceiling can be opened. It can completely open and is open sky. It's interesting. Okay, I'll stay in a hotel just right down over there.
You saw it? Yeah.
And this is another walking tour about Scandinavians. This is a coffee shop, but all the profit of the coffee shop will go to this hospital. This hospital only for the people who has no money or no insurance to support them to have medical care. Here we can kind of local life here. So many kids.
The man came here to read the paper, the newspaper. Hi.
同志们、朋友们，我找到了我跟娜塔莉亚约会的地方。我们就是在这个地方，我清清楚楚的记得，就在这里，就是在这一对恋人住的那个地方，我们在聊天。想起来了，就是这个地方。这是一个离音乐学院很近的一个公园。Natalia and I also has been on that bridge. 我跟娜塔莉亚也在那个桥上待过，我记得很清楚，非常清楚这个地方。当时我们两个就站在这个地方呢，就站在这个地方，哇，历历在目。This is a Communist Party gathering place, and that's a royal palace. So they built on the trees, so people walking here, they don't need to see this part. But today, this place becomes a gathering place for concerts or meetings or some events.
Yeah? I don't know, if you're staying longer, maybe a concert is ongoing and maybe you'll get a chance to go inside and to attend the concert, and then we can talk about acoustics. Yeah? Good. Do you have questions?
Yeah, I have one
What
question.
about the other buildings?
The other buildings we'll see next.
This is where, I'm sorry?
The other building, as I said, is the former royal palace.
Okay.
Yeah, the place where the place that actually the kings used as office.
So what is it today?
What is the National Art Museum?
The National Art Museum.
Yeah.
And the entrance is from where?
from where we will see Cala Victoria. Yeah, Victory Boulevard. Yeah, we will see it next. Yes.
Yes, is the church always be here with the Communist Tower Party
Yes.
time?
Well, when the project for the Palace Hall actually started, the communists were not so interested into destroying the things around Bucharest. As I said, it was a crisis of the places. So instead of destroying, they wanted to focus more on constructing.
Okay.
Yeah,
so the church was open?
Yes, it was open also back then.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they didn't destroy the church. They just covered the church up.
That's an Orthodox church, huh?
Yes, it's an Orthodox church. So let's see the church because it's very beautiful.
Okay. Revolutionary Square. That's a revolutionary square. This is a place Ceausescu gave a speech and he ran away by a helicopter there.
So during communism, what people call the Section 5 was an office of the secret police.
So this building used to be a secret police building. Many people arrested there, and the upper part was new built after the revolution. So this is a royal palace, but the king not stayed there very much. It's used for meetings and for art galleries.
A library that was made by Karl and his wife Elizabeth. They were very much into culture and education. They wanted to provide means for everybody to study and to learn something. So they made up this project. After the building was ready and the library was open, the royal family also donated around 10,000 books to this library for the students, to use. And he was German, he was very strict, very severe. And here people were quite a little bit lousy with their time and appointments. Not even today, we are not on time, most of the times, We have that, I don't know, let's say the part of, the Latin part of the Romanian people is still present there and we are late all the time. So what Karl thought was, let's put a clock on the building so everybody could see, and maybe in this way people will be more, I don't know, responsible with their appointments, meetings. And also Karl had a way, if he had a meeting and if somebody was late, the time he allocated for that meeting was not modified. So the later the person arrives, the shorter the meeting was for Karl I. Also, Karl I was the one who made up set the trend with pocket watches. Also, for people to have a watch, to check the watch and be on time. But the men here in Bucharest, actually mostly use the watches as fashion acts. For fashion, and that's it. Not just to check the time and be ready.
So Ceausescu just gave a speech there. Okay, there.
We are heading towards our last education, in arts, in music, in everything. So guys, this is the Romanian Athenaeum. Is the first building in Romania that was made entirely by public subscription and the first fundraising of Romania. It took like 25 years for this building to be completed. But compared with the House of the Parliament or the People's Palace, a building that Romanian people don't really like, this one we love because actually this is something we wanted to build. A big part into gathering the money to build the Romanian Athenaeum also was played by the royal house, the royal family. For example, Queen Elizabeth herself was an artist. She was a writer. And he really supported this project, and also not only this project but all the projects that involved education, studying and stuff like that. She even paid the scholarship for George Enescu, a Romanian musician, to go to Paris and to study music over there. So she was a really big supporter of this. She was like her work. So the Romanian Athenaeum, as I said, lasted for about 25 years to be fulfilled. It's called the Athenaeum after the Greek goddess Athena, the goddess of knowledge, yes, and war, and was designed to be a place where events, cultural events, can happen. Yeah. Also, even though it was not specifically made for concerts, yeah, the acoustic in this place is better than in Sala Palatului because also, yeah, was designed for concerts and for music. Now, only concerts are organized inside, and also some events because the place is not very big. It's also the headquarters of the National Philharmonic Orchestra in Romania, yeah, and can be visited, but only a few hours a day at lunch when the Philharmonic is in lunch break, and you can go. Otherwise, they are rehearsing, and this is it. And don't expect to see the concert hall because that will not be possible. Yeah, you will see just the interior, the hall. Ways, and the entrance for the tourists are, as you look at the building, on the right side. Yeah, go there and check with the person from security. Yeah. Otherwise, this is it. From here, you can also have a better look, better angle for pictures for the royal palace. So now you know also about the kings.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you too.
I'm
Hope you like it.
Yes.
Yeah?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Today is my last day here. I'm here, so I want to walk all the way down to here. So finish the sightseeing tour. Okay, then I will see most of Bucharest. Really cute. Thank you. Look at this. Oh my god, so beautiful. I'm the last one. They're closing the door now. One here, I have the last chance to take a picture of this gorgeous, beautiful building. I'm so lucky. Oh my god. I have reached my destination at the Victoria Palace Square. I think this is a square. That is the museum, and this is the government building. Okay, now I reached my goal, Victoria. You know the name of this place?
Piazza Victoriei. Victory's Plaza.
Plaza, okay, Victoria Plaza. Okay, this place is called Victoria Plaza. Okay, it looks like there's more things over there, but I'm not going to. That's too far away. Okay, that terminates my tourism here at Bucharest. My sightseeing tour finish here. Let's go back to my hotel and take rest. Tomorrow I'm going to Prashov.
Deși l-ai ajutat pe ăla.
Urmează stația Universitate cu peronul pe partea stângă.
Îmi place că am făcut double kill.